Hey, this is Holly with Thea, and today I'm talking about how we can take our existing Atelier Binder and bring it back up to speed. We know that this collection has seen a bunch of different changes. Some fabrics have been discontinued, other fabric families have been refreshed, and we've even added a few new lines to the collection. Because of this, our books have fallen a bit out of date. So I've put together a guide that explains exactly what you'll need to do step by step to take your existing Atelier Binder and have it ready to go for your next meeting. This guide outlines the process of what you'll need to follow to update your Atelier Binder. We've added a list of materials that you'll need to order, some tools to help you get the project started, and we've broken the fabric collection down by book. For each of the books, you'll notice that we've reorganized the way that the fabric samples should be ordered, including the new samples. It's important that we go book by book, as you'll notice that a fabric that may have been in the Pure collection is now in the Canvas collection, or Canvas to Mystic. Once the fabrics have been reorganized within each book, we've added replacement sheets to update the specifications for each of the families. So here you see the sheer and the blackout fabric specifications. These are used as a quick cheat sheet to know exactly what fabrics can or can't be used for a specific project. Things like usable roll width and openness factor are really handy on these spec sheets. So for each book, you're going to print out a sheer and a blackout specification sheet, cut them along the dotted lines, and then once you have them hole punched and added into the book, your collection has been refreshed.